everybody else across the border in your language.
That's where you want to be. What's that again?
Say it in Spanish to everybody.
Sí, lo que les digo a los mexicanos, que las estadísticas están alineadas contra nosotros. Hay muy pocos hombres latinos que superan un porcentaje de menos de 6% que se educan con un bachillerato, con una maestría y que llegan a ser millonarios y tener bienes en cantidades grandes. ¿Y por qué? Entonces tenemos que buscar la meta que sea estar en el 1%. ¿Cuál es la mentalidad? ¿Cuáles son los hábitos, las acciones, los instrumentos, los mecanismos que usan los del 1% para llegar allí? What are the tools and tactics and methods and habits that the 1% use, and use that? You have to be radically different, and you have to also leverage your youth. You got plenty of energy in your 20s. If you're poor, if you're broke, you can't get any worse off. Take your risks then. I took my risk through my career and then parlayed that into real estate, but I've used leverage and other tools to build my wealth, but I had nothing to lose. So use your poverty to your advantage. What can you lose? What does bankruptcy mean on a balance sheet of a 22-year-old? You got a whole life to recover. Anyway, enough for now.
All right, thank you all, and we'll be seeing you soon.